G'day folks, Scott from Wurth, here today to talk to you about metal cutting and metal grinding discs. So what we have here is, hang on a second, what is that? This is the reason we're here today folks. Diamond metal cutting disc and his brother diamond metal grinding discs. We'll go to metal cutting first. So this is a brand new product for Wurth, and it's our diamond blade, but it's for metal processing, which means you're cutting your metal materials. Not just metal though, you're cutting metal, you're cutting stainless steel, and you can also cut aluminium with this disc, which means that that one disc can do what all three of these discs can do. It's only 1.3 mil thick as opposed to our bonded disc, which are 1 mil thick, so you're not really losing any more material in the workpiece. These things have a 22.5 mil bore, and they have a diamond, single layer diamond coating around the edge of the disc. So same as a bonded disc, purely for cutting materials on a straight plane. So you cannot bend this disc, same as with a bonded disc, but this disc will last you 30 to 50 times longer than a bonded disc. It won't reduce in size over its journey, so as you're using our fantastic M-Cube grinder, you'll notice that over time your bonded disc will start to shrink and shrink and shrink as you're using more material. The diamond blade will stay the same diameter for over its entire journey. As you can see, it's got it's laser cut and it's got segments cut into it, which means it reduces the vibration on the disc and also has a reduction in noise. These bad boys will be available to you in a 125 mil diameter and a 230 mil diameter. The 125 mil diameter disc is only 1.3 mil thick. The 230 mil diameter disc is only 1.6 mil thick, which is just mind-blowing to me that a disc so thin can operate so well. And his brother is for metal grinding. So same deal, single layer diamond around the edge, but does what a 125 mil grinding disc does. So instead of straight cutting, you have it at a preferred angle onto the workpiece, and you're grinding away. So another fantastic product. This grinding disc is only 2 mil thick, and we also have the 230 mil version coming in that is only 2.3 mil thick. Again, exactly the same properties as the flat metal cutting diamond blade. So less noise, less dust, 100% recyclable, and just a fantastic product. The grinding disc has a depressed center, same as a normal grinding disc, as you can see, and we'll get a close-up of that as well. So you can see that it's slightly depressed, so it pushes it away from the grinder, so you've got more space to work with when you're grinding, and you can use it on that preferred angle. So yeah, fantastic products. Enough talking, how about some action? Let's get them over to the vise and let's really show you what these discs can do. So there you go guys, what a fantastic test that was of these discs. Few things to remember, no expiry date on these discs. Like a normal bonded disc, these can be used in environments where it's quite humid. You could drop this disc in oil, wipe it off and use it again. So they're not susceptible to those elements that a bonded disc will will really be disadvantaged by. And again, using it with our fantastic M-Cube angle grinder, cordless, 18 volt, I just don't see how you can go wrong. These are a fantastic product, and I think you'll agree when you start using them just how good they really are. As always, if you have any questions, leave them in the comments, and remember, our cutting and grinding diamond blades are ready for work.